Wagwan. It's another day in Zone 9B, Houston, Texas. We had a lot of rain last night, and I'm coming out to check on my garden. Caught a lot of water. Yes, very good. Even in places I did not intend to catch any. But that's okay, because I'm going to pour those into these green stalks. Yes. Some growth. I need to trim these onions. Just checking to see how everything looks. Strawberries look good. Love when it rains. Love when it rains. Lots of strawberries. Lots of strawberries. Look at there. I see red. I see pink. Nice. Very nice. My Swiss chard is doing well. It's growing back nicely. Look what happens when it rains. Look how big and beautiful these are. Yes, very nice. I'm going to harvest these before the bugs get them. There is a nice pink strawberry, a few of them coming along nicely. My tomato plant, my patio tomato. She looks good. Looks like she's trying to put on blossom. Okay. Celery is doing well. Tomato. She looks like she's putting on blossom also. Celery. I've never had celery grow this well here. And I've planted celery before, but I don't know. Maybe it's the soil. I don't know if it's the time of the year. Even the curry plant. Look at the curry plant. Nice. Very nice. Ooh, it's windy. Okay, let me pour this into the green stalk. Okay, nice. My cucumber, the only one that survived the freeze. Carrots are doing well. I think I'm gonna have to thin these out sooner than later. Uh, ooh, I need to do a little research. Oh, look who's about to blossom. Got a little bud right there. Nice. Curious to see what this is. Nice. Kale. Got its second, giving me a lot of kale. It didn't give me this much kale before, but I guess it needed new soil and fertilizer. hmm Colored. Okay, let's go see what my easy cube looks like. Okay, now this basil is huge. It's it's grown bigger than my pepper. Ah, my other pepper, basil, marigold, and everything looks good in here. Leave it alone. Okay, it looks fine. Leave it alone. 2 days of rain. This is loving the 2 days of rain. Um, Look at the nice, nice, nice. Oh my gosh. I have tomatoes. Tomatoes. What's going on there? A bug? What is it? Something eating it? I don't know. But I have tomatoes. She finally put on some tomatoes. And my other beauty has more tomatoes in here too. Yes, very nice. So I'm doing something right. I'm doing something right. Oh, it's so windy because I have tomatoes. Hey, happy with that. So, so happy with that. Green stock, it just went on. This, for whatever reason, this green stock watering system stopped working. I still haven't figured out what the problem is. I just don't know. I turned this thing every which way and nothing. So I'm gonna have to take the whole thing apart, reattach. When I go to put my spinner base on here, then I'll deal with here. I didn't feel like lifting these. That's the reason why my spinner base is not on there yet. So for now, I've just been watering. I just pour water in there, and it seems to be doing really well, even though it's not getting water like all my other green stalks. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Nice. Pretty much what I've been doing, and as you can see, it's flourishing. So, huh? So I added soil to these beds yesterday, Lowe's soil. Got these mushrooms growing in there. Got these mushrooms growing. I don't know what that means, but this is so pretty. It's trying to blossom again. Okay. Collards look really good. I'm gonna mulch. I'm gonna mulch in here with pine straw, pine straw that I got from Tractor Supply. I'm gonna go ahead and mulch it in. That way it would hold the moisture better. Potatoes look okay. I don't think I need to do anything. My cabbages look okay. Not doing anything to them. Just gonna make sure they stay moist. They don't dry out. My little transplant. Looks like they're getting too much water from my gutter. Well, from my roof. They're getting too much water from my roof right there, that area. Too much water. I'm gonna have to scoot it this way just so to avoid all that erosion. Okay. Hopefully this angle will prevent any more water from too much water from my roof. Okay. My tomato plant. She looks okay. Still need to mulch her. Didn't put any mulch on it. Lemongrass coming back. My other tomato plant, she looks okay. The basil looks amazing. Marigold looks okay. The tomato plant looks good. I'm going to transplant um not this tomato plant. I think I'm gonna put this tomato plant in a 5-gallon bucket. Yeah. That way I know it'll have enough space to do what it needs to do. These two gungo peas, pigeon peas, they're looking a little yellow. They look yellow. So I need to take them out of here, give them their own large container. So, mm, yeah, I got another shoot. That's good. This beauty's coming in. Yay. I found these in the wet paper towel. So I put them in here. They're peppers. Put them in here yesterday just to see if I can get them to grow since they did germinate. Let me give them enough rainwater to see if they would go ahead and grow. Another two other peppers from the seeds I threw here came up. And these might have true leaves. It might be time for me to up pot my seed snail. My other seed snail, it looks good. Might be time to up pot. They're getting a little lanky. So I think I'm gonna up pot them. My potatoes, sweet potatoes, are not doing much. The soil looks kind of dry, so I'm gonna put some water on it and see if that will help. But they're just sitting here. They get full sun, but it's been raining a lot, so I had to take it in from out on the garden. And my suckers, I have them here, some shade in rainwater. Everything looks good. Love when it rains. And I get to capture rainwater. That's it for my update on how my garden is doing. Thanks for stopping by.